Good morning mga igat, this is Sheena, your visa DIY buddy and your friendly guide for PH immigration.
Good day mga igat! I am here for another tip so you will gonna successfully go through PH immigration. This is still related sa affidavit of support and guarantee or affidavit of support. I just want to answer this specific question. Kailangan pa rin po bang mag-provide ng affidavit of support kahit kasabay ang asawa sa travel? Since this information that I'm gonna give you is really happened, hindi din naman ako magsasabi ng kung ano-ano unless alam ko na it happened. Answer your question, yes. Mas mabuti na meron because there are few Filipinas who got offloaded kahit kasama nila yung asawa nila, yung fiancé nila, boyfriend nila, relative or friends. May mga nangyari din na mismong asawa nila yung nakipag-usap sa IO pero ganun nga, they were still offloaded. So please make sure to bring with you affidavit of support. Since magta-travel ka from Pinas at kasama mo yung asawa mo, you can have it notarized. If may time ka, you can go to DFA para ipa-apostle din siya. Po, pag aalis tayo sa Pinas, let's just make sure to prepare everything. All the documents that we should prepare because we go out of the country, it's more difficult than actually getting a visa. Mas mahirap silang kausapin, mas mahirap silang i-convince if wala kang papeles na dala, if mali-mali yung mga infos na binigay nyo, kahit pa andyan yung sponsor mo, andyan yung asawa mo, they insist na you should have affidavit of support, wala ka talagang magagawa. So please make sure to prepare. Para din yan sa'yo because it's not easy. Nga ako, I am very prepared. Makakapal na papeles yung daladala ko talaga every time I travel out of Philippines. Pero yung kaba, as in, grabe. I was once offloaded before at talagang na-discriminate ako. Kung sponsor noon, kaya ko mag-travel but still, na-offload ako. Imagine yung trauma, anxiety, yung stress. Doble-doble siya. Please mag-ready ka na lang and good luck with your travel.